皆さんこんにちは、KEIです。今日はですね、フライトの様子をお届けしていきたいと思います。僕は現在カナダのエアラインパイロットとして働いています。普段はバンクーバーっていうところに住んでいるんですけれども、今はですね、滞在先のケローナというところのホテルに泊まっております。本日のルートなんですけれども、そのケローナ空港からエドモントンっていうね、内陸の都市に行くフライトになります。国内線のフライトになるんですけれども、ぜひ楽しんでいってください。この動画の視聴券はですね、いいねとチャンネル登録もぜひね、よろしくお願いします。それでは早速行っていきたいと思います。はい、空港やってきました。これからね、機体の方に向かっていきたいと思います。こちらの機体はですね、Q ちゃんとかボンちゃんとかボン Q とかね、呼ばれたりしますね。Ground on course 3366, looking for airport clearance.
On course 3366 ground, clear to the Edmonton Airport, Kelowna 8 departure, flight plan route, squawk 7031.
ATC clears to the Edmonton Airport, Kelowna 8 departure, flight plan route, squawk 7031 on course 3366.
YTA QNH 3024 Jet 69 008 54364. Take a little business. Eight people in there. Door lights.
Engine sound number 2. 2 is clear.
I'll call ground. Ground's Encore 3366, looking for pushback gate 10.
Encore 3366, pushback at 10, your discretion.
GC power.
Is off and checked.
After checks complete. Ground on course 3366.
Encore 3366, runway 16, wind calm, altimeter 3024, taxi by Echo and Delta, hold short Alpha. Contact tower there, 119.6.
Taxi by Echo Delta, hold short Alpha for the runway 16 on course 3366. Hello.
Hey, Delta friend, cabin secure for takeoff.
Thank you.
That's nice.
Bye.
On course 3366 ready.
Encore 3366, thanks, at Alpha line up and wait, runway 16.
Line up and wait on course 3366.
Encore 3366, winds calm, from Alpha, clear for takeoff, runway 16 short.
Check marks on course 3366, clear for takeoff, runway 16.
You have the control.
I have control. You ready?
Yep.
Set bar.
Alright, set. 3 knots.
Check.
B1.
Clear to land runway
Rotate.
16 shortened and move wherever turbulence. Get it off to anything.
Roger.
How's the rate?
Get up. Set nav. Flap 0. Leads on. Set climb power.
Vancouver, it's Encore 3366, 4,000 for 9,000.
Encore 3366, Vancouver Center identified, when able to reference terrain, proceed direct Ramra on course. Climb level 250.
250 also.
Check. 250 cell. Hold pylon.
Check. Any good?
Wow, it's hot. Koこにクリアランスとか書きます。What are you gonna do today?
I have to go around.
Oh, that's good.
Me?
I'm going to the mall
Why?
because of filming. I'm a YouTuber, so
Have you been at the river?
you know, to the north.
It's right at the hotel.
Nice, yeah, I think I can go there. Cruise 入りました。
What does that mean?
We entered the cruise.
Oh.
本日のロッキーマウンテンです。めちゃめちゃ綺麗。もうちょっとでクルーズ終わりです。 Load the LX3 arrival for the runway 02 by app kit RNAV Yankee runway 02. Verify all points no 2 please. Alright, so LX before that, can you harden up 19,000? I'm on the flaps 15, DRF plus 10, no reduce NP, no icing please. Weight is 58. Alright, I'll give it a briefing here. LX3 arrival runway 02, chart number 20-2. RNAV Yankee runway 02, 22-20, effective date September 8th. Final course is 020, Airvog 3,600 feet. After we land, exit by Bravo 1.
It said something about construction on Alpha, so that area might be blocked. So we might go Victor ramp to
Right,
72.
Victor all the way in.
Yeah.
Fuel, by the time we get there, is 3,000 over, so min dip is 2,500. If you go miss, we'll try another one. It's VFR anyway.
Yeah.
Any questions, sir?
No.
めちゃめちゃ眩しいですね。
Edmonton arrival on Tonko 3366, descending to 10,000. We're set up for the RNAV Yankee 02.
Encore 3366, Edmonton arrival. Good day, this is X-ray. Cleared, RNAV Yankee runway 02 approach with gap to transition.
10,000 feet, descent approach checklist.
Encore 3366, Edmonton Tower, runway 02, winds 1004, altimeter 3029er, clear to land runway 02.
Clear to land 02, Encore 3366.
Flaps 15. Here's MP condition lever max, landing checklist.
Landing gear.
Down the green. 15 set and indicating.
Landing check is complete.
Thank you.
1,000 feet.
Check, set miss approach altitude.
5,000 set.
100, 50, 40, 30, 20,
5 degrees.
10.
5 degrees. Ground Encore 3366, Rebel 1.
Encore 3366, taxi Bravo and Alpha, then left at Alpha Delta into the open for gate 74.
Flap 0, after line checks complete.無事着きました。はい、エドモントン着いてホテルに着きました。今日は1レグだったので、これで終わりになります。明日も朝早いんで、エドモントンの街をね、散策して明日に備えたいと思います。本日のフライト動画気に入っていただけましたら、いいねとチャンネル登録をして応援してくれると嬉しいです。それでは次回の動画で会いましょう。バイバイ。